The Venetian ESummer was actually born by pure chance. We just decided to throw ourselves out there, and we were inspired by the University of Trento that was suggesting some opportunities for students to study online. When all of a sudden one of my collaborators asked me, okay, why don't we actually take Bassano as the main painting and the main panorama for this event? And so we decided to challenge ourselves, because we could have simply made an online event, and we do have the online version of the Venetian ESummer, but we wanted to finally suggest something that would challenge ourselves as organizers. Like, we wanted to ask ourselves, are we able, even if we are 17, because we were 17 at the time, to bring and gather all around students internationally and bring them to Bassano, and are we able to make Bassano appreciate them as much as Italian students?
You cannot change the word Relazionesimo in English or in Spanish or in French or so on.
It starts like that. It's from 8 to 10 days roughly, in which we meet different companies from Bassano, but not only companies, but also lead figures. What do we want to offer students? We want to give them the chances to have a lead figure in front of them. We're not putting these companies, like different companies, up above here. We're putting them on the same level and ensuring they have a chance to dialogue. Like, what were your challenges? Why did I personally, like Pollyanna, connect with Ketty Panni? Because I had the chance to talk to her immediately.
And this is something that we use to connect with other people. Like, I can talk with everyone about my culture, and this person can talk about their culture with me, and this a way to connect people. And the culture is expand our barriers. Like as was said, when we share our culture, we teach to other person a little about ourselves. It's not too much, but we talk about who we are and how we express our feelings, our cultures, our traditions.
Cioè produce qualcosa di nuovo, quella novità che entra nelle nostre vite e rinnova.
The relationship is how we are connected with our community. Relationship is not just individual. Relationship is about how we see society, how we connect with the society, and community is one thing, because when you have a community that work together, they help each other to develop themselves. For example, if you I would say something about personal, but I have a family that my sister have children, and they neighbor help her in a way like, oh, I can see them, so you can finish your stuff. This is a way that your community can help us about the relationship we have with our community, so we can grow up together.
People tend to forget the power we have, because we know as human beings, we have a great power inside of us, and sometimes we just need a great opportunity to push it off.
I giovani ci hanno offerto i loro sguardi, le loro proposte, le loro sollecitazioni che diventano tesoro per noi adulti, non solo per ascoltare queste voci, ma per poter intraprendere un dialogo che ci aiuti a trovare quei denominatori comuni, quei linguaggi che ci permettono di capirci.
The connection of youth and youth empowerment in general. Like, youth have to be heard, but have to have the chance as well to speak up and to be listened fully by adults on the same level, on the same round table.